Hello friends, welcome you all to another video, and this time once again I got another video of Royal Enfield Kargil boots. So guys, the previous boots actually they got some defects, so therefore I have sent them back to Amazon, and after a lot of research I found out these Kargil boots, and let's see how it is. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. I'm doing the unboxing of this Kargil book. So hey guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, and also share to your friends so you can get such kind of videos regularly. So here you can see that this is the original packaging from the Royal Enfield, and here are the Kargil boots. So you can see that I have got these boots, and you can see the pricing of this boot over here is quoted over here, and actually I got it just for 3,000 rupee only via Amazon. And you can see the boots, the quality of these boots looks very nice. Actually previous boots have also very nice quality. You can see that here is a mesh material. It is the, you can see that is the cloth material, and here is actually the leather. This is not leather actually. It is like a that the mesh, or we can say that it is a cloth material, breathable, so you can breathe, and there will be very less sweat on your foot. And here you can see that the toe have a very good kind of a protection over here, and heel, at the heel side also here is a protection, as well as there is a protection at the nail side. Here is that is the PU plastic is there, so it protect your knee, your leg while riding the boot. And you can see that the sole is also very good, the stitching is also very good, color combination is also looks very good. So I will wear this boot, and after that I will also make another video, the review video of these boots, that how it is useful for day-to-day uses, and also for the riding of the bike. So guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you can see such kind of videos regularly. Thank you for watching.